What up, everybody? It's your boy, Mr. Luke Evan Brooks, and welcome to another edition with Cooking with Luke and Friends. Now, this is a special series that I'm doing. I went to Thailand, and I really got to explore the area. Not just that we're talking about food, but we're talking about the culture. We're talking about the health. We're talking about all the things that people want to know about Thailand. Now, I need you to subscribe. It's important that you subscribe because on this special series, I'm going to be uploading for 30 days content that's going to really get you energized. So it's very critical that you do that. Now I'm going to show you the different foods that they have, what I was eating, all that good stuff that you want to know. And I'm going to keep it real with you. I'm going to be 100 with you, as they say. So you don't want to miss out. Now the best way to do this is to go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to the show. And as we say, we're about to get this thing cracking. So watch this. I'm about to show you something here. What I'm doing right now. I'm heading to the gym in this small clip here. Going to the gym, getting that workout, because I'm going to tell you something. Going from Bangkok, they had a gym at the hotel. It was pretty good, you know. It wasn't the biggest gym, but it got me what I need. I got the cardio, got the strength training, got all those things, which are very important to me. But when I went to I went to the hotel I was at, which was the Yaya Phuket Hotel. They really had anything. It was just basically prison style, if you want to call it. So anyway, I decided to go ahead and get a gym membership. And I recommend this to all of you guys, because people ask me questions about this. I recommend you go ahead and get a gym membership. If you're working out, you're doing your thing, you want to stay active, because when you get to Thailand, you're going to need at least 2 weeks. 1 week ain't going to do it unless you're directly going to one particular spot. But if you're new to Thailand, you definitely want to hit multiple spots. So I went to the gym. The gym membership for 1 month was like basically $20 or $30. I think it was $20. And they had a top of the line gym, everything that you needed. I think it can compete with most American gyms where you're paying a ridiculous amount for a membership. And I'm going to tell you a secret, too. If you go to the gym out there, there's some dimes out there, and they're choosing hard up there. Because I know that's what guys want to know. Hey, what's going on? They're choosing up there. So, you know, the perception of people, you know, that I've seen in groups and stuff is that, oh, you have to talk to a bar girl, or you got to go talk to the girl on the beach who's selling her stuff. That's not the case, guys. The odds or the statistics show it's like 20-1, so 20 women to 1 man. So if you out there looking for whoever you want to, you can. If you looking to do all that other stuff, you can do that too, but that's not what I did. I went to the gym, I worked out, but I'm just telling you, when I got into the gym, it was elderly white men that were in the gym, and I was the only young brother. I'm 39, getting in the gym, working out, getting the sweat, and they talking to me, interacting with me. So that's pretty cool right there. But after the gym, after I got that good morning workout, I decided to go ahead and get a haircut. Now, prior to that, I talked to Richie Mack, again, Zoom to Thailand, and I said, who cuts your hair? And he recommended to me to go see Sunee, because Sunee knows how to cut brothers' hair. This is not someone who's trying to experiment, see which style goes because she's seen something on a video or whatnot. This lady knows how to cut hair professionally. And not only that, she does multiple things. If you need to get your ear haircut, nose haircut, facial, a massage, pedicure, manicure, she does all that and some more. So guys, you definitely want to check her out. So I'm going to go ahead and shut up and let you listen to our interaction. I'm here with the dentist while she does my teeth in the barbershop.
Open your mouth. Okay.
Oh my God. You get all at the barbershop. Get your teeth fixed, get your hair fixed, get your fake ear, everything. But she doing my ears right now, so I mean, I'm telling you, one-stop shop.
Hello. Anybody inside?
It might be like, hello.
Somebody say hello.
So how long you been at this one, at this location?
5 days now.
5 days?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was not ready to move in yet. But I have 2 girls here. I still there. Tomorrow I go back there.
Okay.
I have 2 girls, my 2 girls here.
Okay.
At end of month I move to here.
Okay. So
Then landing.
So they do women's hair and men's hair.
Yeah.
See?
And lady boy hair.
No more of them. Oh man, you might have had one once y'all talked to me.
Why?
I was like, I didn't know.
What?
They were like, oh, by the way.
Ooh.
I was like, oh no. Well, no, thank you.
Ooh. How you feel?
I feel okay.
Ooh. Oh, John, wow.
Oh Lord.
John. You been hang out?
Yeah.
Where you been?
I went to 808 last night.
And today night?
I might go. I don't know. I'm kind of scared.
Why? Today Friday night.
I know.
Busy there.
They're gonna be the crazy ones come out there.
Yeah.
I don't know what, but I might go sing karaoke.
Go sing karaoke.
Yeah, I might.
Like this?
Yep. I'm not like that. I'm gonna hold mic like that. But like,
Microphone like that.
no.
Why? How you
You're doing like,
I see. I karaoke sometimes. It's not good song, but what can I do? I'm not singing.
Oh Lord. No, you can hold the mic and just sing. You can move your head, but like, yeah.
Ready? Only hand.
Yeah.
Hand move.
Oh Lord.
Hand and hand.
Oh, that's the wrong type of mic.
Dance music, guys. Move hand and hand.
No, you were doing like this. You're like, oh God. Oh my God. Oh Jesus.
Move hand and hand. That song.
Oh Lord.
That karaoke.
I hope not.
Why?
You
song, what song you sing? Love song?
I sing love songs. Not like that. I hold the mic like that, and I talk to the mic.
Not like this.
No.
Love song.
If I'm doing that something wrong.
And dance song.
No, oh Lord.
What? You song like that?
I sing very good, but not that way. Oh Lord.
Love song.
Yep, love songs.
How you holiday?
Yep, I'm here for a couple of weeks. Yep.
Where you stay?
Huh?
Where you live?
I'm staying at the hotel right off the beach. Bouquet Hotel.
Alone?
Yep. That's the best way to do it. Oh Lord. Oh Lord.
Alone, lonely.
Guys, as you see, as far as interaction with Miss Sunee, she's very playful, very good person. I mean, I'm telling you, she's giving you the king treatment because a lot of guys want to know, like, how is it out there? Now, of course, yes, this channel talks about food, but we're taking it to a new level where we're showing you everything. It's not everything about food, but there are parts of food, and food will bring us together. But we're going to get more into it because this is not the end of this interaction, or I say a interview. There's part 2. So guys, you got to tune in for part 2 when it drops. If you feel like this content was valuable to you and that you really do enjoy it, please go ahead and subscribe and give me thumbs up. I need a thumbs up so the algorithms on YouTube can recognize what is really going on. Again, my name is Luke Evan Brooks. I will see you next time for another episode of Cooking with Luke and Friends. Take care.